Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
The Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic is back in a big way this year. The standard Heritage Classic now has the Milwaukee 8 114 V-twin, rendering the Heritage Classic 114 obsolete. Other than the replacement of the Milwaukee 8 107, the changes are connected to styling. This year there are two trims, black and chrome. The chrome trim option is new this year to brighten things up. The black trim returns with new touches. It features wrinkled black on the upper rocker covers, camshaft cover, transmission cover, and primary cover. The lower rocker covers get gloss black for a bit of contrast. There's more gloss black on the light bar, turn signal standoffs, and windshield brackets. More black in the front comes from plain black on the mirrors and triple clamps. The wheel hubs and hubcap are black anodized, with matte black on the exhaust shields. Chrome tips remain. Another change this year is the move to cast aluminum wheels. Both the chrome and black trims have black 9-spoke cast aluminum wheels as standard equipment. If you go with a chrome trim, you can get optional chrome-laced wheels. The black trim offers up black-laced wheels. The wire-spoked wheels are a $400 option. Several Harley-Davidson Cruiser lineup models are swapping out last year's wire-spoked wheels for cast aluminum in 2022. The 2022 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic remains part of the motor company's cruiser lineup because it has a Softail chassis. In previous years, it has also been considered a touring model. However, Harley-Davidson now puts its touring bikes in the Grand American Touring category, securing the Heritage Classic's place in the cruiser line, despite having a windshield and saddlebags as standard equipment. The 2022 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic prices: Vivid Black, $20,799. One Color, $21,249. Two-Tone, $21,574. Vivid Black with Black Finish, $22,099. One Color with Black Finish, $22,099. Two-Tone with Black Finish, $22,424.